All right, so you used to go into the optometrist to get your glasses, and it was kind of a daunting experience and actually kind of pricey. So you decided to shop online. I get it. I was in your shoes once before too. And you came to the right place because Payne Glasses is actually really easy to use and it makes for a very nice, simple user experience that gets you all the information you need every step of the way. Let's take you through it. So, we want to start on the site by choosing what type of glasses you're looking for: men's, women's, kids, sunglasses. It's all right here across the top. So, for myself, obviously, we're going to choose men here. And then you can kind of start looking at how you want to choose your glasses. Do you want to choose by color or by style? Let's just take the most typical example here. Maybe you want something professional, just in a plain black. So we can go in here into color and we can choose black as the first option. And it brings up a bunch of frames that come in color of black. But maybe that's not enough. You want to get more particular. Now let's look at frame shape. Maybe you've worn glasses for a while now and you know that rectangles look better on you than round glasses. So we can go right in here and choose rectangle frames and see all of the glasses that now come in black and have rectangle frames. But maybe you want to step outside the box a little bit and you want to check a different color. Well, we can actually look for multiple colors at once. So here we'll just go ahead and add green, which is kind of sweet because I don't own any green glasses. And then we can kind of scroll through the options here if we want, but you can also search by price and other figures here as well. So let's look at newest frames. Maybe you want to look at which ones they got most recently. Maybe you want to look at the lowest price frames and start from there. They leave you a lot of options to kind of narrow it down the way you want to. Now, after looking at all of these, I've decided, you know what? I think I want to go more with the green. So I can actually just remove the black option here, and I can just look at frames that come in green. And I want to see what the most popular ones in green are. Now, I kind of like the look of these Ingram rectangles here, so let me see. I can actually choose below here and see what other styles they come in, but I think I'm still good with the green. So we're going to go ahead and hit the order button and start moving the order on with these as our selection. Now they give you a way to see all the glasses from different angles, so you have an idea of what it looks like on the side and head on, just so you know exactly what you're buying. Another nice thing about the site is they give you all the specs on the glasses. For instance, you can see that these are 18 grams, which is actually a nice middleweight to lightweight set of frames. Do they have spring hinges? These are things that may matter to you, especially when you're looking at, does it support bifocals or progressives? You might need them for your prescription. Now, once you decide that those glasses are good for you, we now have to choose the lens type that we're going to be looking for over to the right side. Going down the options, you have prescription glasses for single vision. You can get progressives or bifocals, reading or bifocal glasses, non-prescription glasses, so maybe you just want glasses without a prescription in them, just for style points. You can get blue light blocking glasses, or you can just get the frames only. Maybe you have an idea of getting lenses somewhere else. Also note that if you choose prescription glasses, you can add the blue light blocking feature later in your order. At this stage, we now just scroll down to order glasses. But you do have the option to try on, and this is actually kind of fun. Now, if you click the try on button, it takes you to a page where you can take a picture of yourself and see what the frames look like on you before you progress down the order, because maybe they just don't look right on your face or whatnot, and you at least want to get a look at them. Now, this isn't totally necessary, but it is a fun feature to have on the website. Now, once we move forward with the order, it's going to ask you for your prescription. In these slots, it has everything for both the right eye and the left. You just put in everything from your prescription that you've been given from your optometrist, and then you're good to go. This does include the data prescription down at the bottom. Once you put your prescription in, it saves it for future orders. Once your prescription is complete, it should look something like this. Then you just hit confirm, and now you're going to be presented with the choice of 4 lens types. You can get clear, light responsive, gradient lenses, or sunglasses. For this order, I'm just going to choose clear. Now the nice thing here is you actually get to see the price of the lenses as they're going to be added to your order. For me personally, since I'm on the computers a lot and I'm staring at a screen, I'm going to go with the upgraded blue blocking glasses. Now once you choose your option, you can see everything totaled up to the right for you. Now you can go back through this process to add however many frames or complete sets of glasses you would like to add to the order. Once it's complete, proceed to checkout. On this page, you'll add your contact info, your address, everything you need for shipping as usual. Then you'll need to choose your method of shipping. Then that brings you to the warranty page. This explains your options and what you can do in the event that your glasses maybe don't fit right, or maybe the prescription wasn't quite correct, or any other thing that may happen with them. Then you just choose your method of payment, and that's it. You just wait for your glasses to show up. That should cover everything, and that should make for a very nice and easy shopping experience here at Payne Glasses. And take your time, look around. There's a lot of frames to pick from. But don't get caught up in analysis paralysis. They're inexpensive enough that you can buy more than one pair.